Alright, so I had a little fire in my backyard. And then some of the debris must have went over the top of my trampoline, came down, and created a hole. So we're going to properly repair it using this kit I got off Amazon. It was about $16. Alright, inside this kit, let's see, we got some gloves to protect your hands from the glue. You got your glue, putty knife, cleaning agent to clean around the area, and 2 patches. They're 4x4. Want to get the #1 wipe out and clean the entire area. Top and bottom. If you're not sure that your mat is completely clean, go ahead and use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean it up a little better, which I did get a little bit more off of there. Look at the bottom side, how much more I got. I would use rubbing alcohol. Well, make sure it's all dry. Take this little end here, punch the hole into the tube, and put this on and put it on thick. You got to put a patch on the top, patch on the bottom. We're going to use half the tube here and half the tube there. Spread the glue on here like this. Pull this up and lay it on here. Make sure you're centered. Take the squeegee and push the product into both the mat and the patch. Add a little more in my corner. I'm going to actually move this patch a little bit like this. And make sure it's centered. I want to be centered on it. I was a tad off, so I made an adjustment. I just took my squeegee up underneath it. Underneath, you want to do the same thing. Get your glue on the bottom. Make sure you spread it out real good. And place it in the exact same spot your other patch was. And squeegee the product into the top patch so they bond together. And I add more glue to it and keep working it around and forcing it to bond together. Once both sides were secure, I added a little more glue to make sure we get around our edges on the top, which is important. Just rolled it like that. Take my squeegee and just go around the edge. Put in a lip on there. Just kind of smoothing the patch out to the existing mat. Looking similar to this all the way around the edge. In order to prove to everybody that the patch works, I waited till November to show you me jumping on it, and there's the patch on the bottom there. Now that I'm in it, here's the top. And before it looked a little bubbly, but it's pretty flat now. And it's been jumped on an awful lot all spring and summer, but there you go, guys. Good as new. Consider being a subscriber. Later. Oh. Whew.